Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I'm going to show you coins that I would be buying this week. These are coins that will have a massive pump very soon, and I'm going to show you exactly where I will be entering on this coin and also my possible take profits on each of these coins. In my previous video, I listed about 10 coins that could make you a millionaire before the end of 2021. If you haven't watched that video, you can click up there right now and see the 10 coins I listed that could make you a lot of money before the end of this year. All of the coins I listed are already up and they are making massive gains every day. So you should check that video out. This right here is one of the coins I mentioned in that video. This is the Super Farm token, and I mentioned this coin at around this level. And as you can see that this coin has had a massive move to the upside. This is one of the coins I talked about in that video. And let me show you another one. This is another coin I mentioned. This is the Moon River token. I mentioned this coin at around this level before the massive pump to the upside. Most of the coins I am going to mention in this video are coins that have potential to move to the upside in a very short period of time. This level, when Moon River was around $250, this was where I made the call of buying at around this level. And as you can see, Moon River has moved to over $400. Now, this coin obviously is going to make all-time highs, and it's going to go over $500. And currently, this Moon River token is forming a bull flag. This is a bull flag, as you can see. And to know the price target, you would have to carry this flagpole right here and place it at the exact time of breakout. As you can see, the price target of this move would be over $500. If you do like this kind of content, please give this video a like and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot, and I would really appreciate it if you do so. And if you like this kind of segments where I list coins I am going to be buying, you should please let me know in the comment section. If you want me to be doing this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section. Now I am going to show you the coins I would be buying this week. Number one on the list is Quant. Now this is the coin I am going to be buying this week, Quant, and as you can see, it is at a price of $261. You can see that it has a max supply of 14 million and a circulating supply of about 12 million. This is the price of Quant, and this is a very impressive move to the upside. And right now the coin has been correcting. Very soon there is going to be a reversal where the coin would continue in the upward direction. Currently, this coin is listed on top exchanges in the crypto space. So this is one of the good reasons that I am going to be getting in on this coin. Now let me show you exactly where I would be entering this coin for potential gains to the upside. This is the QNT price chart, and right now the price is in a correction phase. If I draw out the fibs right here, as you can see, we are at the 0.618, and right now we are breaking the 0.618. So for me, I can enter this coin at around 260 at this level right here, from 260 all the way to 240. Also, I need to remind you that this is not financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. This is mainly for educational and entertainment purpose only. Now let me show you my price target of this coin upon entry at this level. So I will do a trend-based Fibonacci extension right here, and if I was to enter at around this level, my first take profit would be at around $380, and after that I would let this one ride to the upside. So the next time I would take my profit on this coin would be at around $500 all the way to over $660. So this is my possible take profit upon entry at around this level. Now let's go over to the next coin on this list. The second coin on this list is AAVE. Now to me, this is a very good project. As you can see, AAVE is currently trading at around 339 USD with a max supply of 16 million and a circulating supply of about 13 million. Right now, AAVE is listed on these top exchanges in the crypto space, and I'm going to show you exactly where I will be entering in on this coin. Now let's go over to the price chart. This is the price chart of AAVE. As you can see, it has not been doing much lately. Let me zoom out. You'll see that this coin has basically been going sideways at around this same level, and I believe that there is going to be a breakout of this range very soon. If I go over to a higher time frame like the weekly, this is the weekly time frame, and as you can see, if AAVE can continue to close weekly candles above this 20 exponential moving average, then the price of AAVE could continue to the upward direction. And let me bring out the stochastic RSI. So this is the stochastic RSI on the weekly time frame. You would see that AAVE just had a fresh cross to the upside on the weekly time frame. So to me, in the next couple of weeks, AAVE is going to have a price surge to the upside. That's exactly why I am going to be getting in on this coin at this level. So this is a range from about 340 USD to 290 USD. And I'll get a chance to take my profit at various levels. I'm going to take my profit at different resistance, like at the $418 level. This is where I'll take my first profit. My second profit would be at around this $528 level. To me, this could be a solid trade, As you can see on the weekly, there is a very good W pattern forming right here. To me, this is a bullish setup for the coming weeks in the price chart of AAVE. Now let's go over to the last coin on this list. The last coin on this list is Cosmos. Right now, this coin is trading at around $38. And it has a total supply of over 280 million with a circulating supply of over 220 million. Currently, this coin is trading on top exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, and I'm going to show you exactly where I will be entering in on this coin for potential gains to the upside. Now let's go over to the price chart. This is the price chart of Atom. As you can see, it is basically going sideways at around this level. If I draw the fibs from the bottom to the top, you can see that the price went to the 0.618, and right now it is currently at the 0.382. As you can see on the daily 20 exponential moving average, price is steadily closing daily candles above this 20 exponential moving average. So this is where I'll be entering on this coin, and if it were to break down past this 20 exponential moving average, then I could set my stop loss anywhere below $31. So anywhere below $31 is where I would set my stop loss, and I will be able to take my profit at a higher level. So for me right here, if I was to enter at around this level of $38, I could take my first profit at over $53. And I believe that if I should enter at around this low level, this would be a very good level to take my profits on this trade. I truly hope you have enjoyed this content so far. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really want more videos like this, you should please give this video a thumbs up and try to subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot, and I would really appreciate it if you do so. And also, you can drop a comment on what else you would like to see on the channel, and I will do my best to make it available to you. Now, this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.